Up next is Ribbit. Ribbit aims to create the world's first fully autonomous airline service. Pitching today is Jeremy, who is currently completing his PhD in mechanical engineering. So let's hear it from Jeremy.
There's a shortage of pilots, and it's only getting worse. Fewer people are becoming pilots, baby boomers are retiring, but demand for air travel is growing. At this rate, we'll be short 400,000 pilots by 2038. That's 1 in every 3 flights grounded. At Ribbit, we're building software that can fly planes and starting a cargo airline with no pilots. We're using traditional algorithms and machine learning to do everything a commercial pilot does, including flying, taxiing, and communicating over radio. At our last employer, my co-founder Carl and I spent 3 years building and certifying some of the largest drones in the country. But we realized the drones were limited in terms of weight, range, and they still needed pilots on the ground. And that's when we started Ribbit. With our backgrounds in aerospace engineering, piloting, and managing startups, we believe we're the right team at the right time to tackle this opportunity. Our plan is to buy existing planes, retrofit them with sensors in our software, and then operate these fleets as a service. Existing airlines are slow to adopt technology, so operating gets us to market faster. And since our customers just want their cargo, we can scale quickly and leverage our technology advantage. It's the same reason that Jeff Bezos built out Amazon instead of licensing to, say, Walmart. Our first customers will be northern communities which pay regional airlines to ship goods. Because these are fixed routes over sparse populations, regulators will more easily approve initial flights. And at 400 million, this is a great market to get started. To serve these customers, we'll retrofit and fly recreational planes. They cost just $15K to buy, they're extremely cheap to operate, and they can already be heavily modified under current regulations. By contrast, our competitors are northern airlines that fly large planes with a co-pilot and pilot, but these are so expensive that they fly infrequently to keep costs low. Even if they tried to use smaller planes like us, the pilot would occupy a third of the available weight. By removing the pilot, we can fly whenever, wherever needed, and ship 40% more. Since starting 3 months ago, we've already developed this detect and avoid software that's needed for autonomous flight. When our software notices it's on a collision course, it will automatically adjust its own flight path and continue to the final destination. With the 5K grant, we'll validate the software on actual flight hardware. We'll then raise additional funds to buy and retrofit our first recreational plane for the northern market. This will cost $95K, including the plane itself. And in the future, we'll adapt our technology to expand into regional air cargo worth $16 billion in North America alone. So, as the pilot shortage worsens, we hope that you'll support us in creating autonomous cargo planes as a service. Thank you.